have, and this one is about the relocation of the whale. You may realise that I've been campaigning for many years to save the whale from its watery grave. Anyway, there's some confusion about the location of the whale as a result of out-of-date pictures from AVP itself. And we're very lucky that we've got the help of Richard Young, a New Forest and District Council councillor, who's gone down there and taken a few photographs to help us. You must think, well, I must be over the moon because of the relocation of the whale. Why am I not happier? Well, the reason is I'm a teacher as well as a historian, they call it. And because there is no memorial to D-Day in Southampton, I was hoping that the relocation, if you look at the site of the where it's going to be located, in the plinth provided by the British Army, if you can imagine this structure outside the white building at Watts Park, to me it would make it far more accessible and a useful educational tool. Thank you very much.